Okay, we have a Southwestern Industries CNC Toolroom Lathe with manual hand wheels. It's a model TRAK 1630SX, serial number 191CH142. Machine was new in 2019 and we're going to run it for you. Machine has a D16 spindle with a 2.12 inch spindle hole. You have a spindle that's a D16 CAMLOK, and you have 150 RPM up to 2500 in its variable speed. We're running right now 500. It's very quiet. Machine also does have constant surface speed, 1000 RPM. Again, the PROTO-TRAK control is an SLX. Conversational graphics, can cycles, 1500, very quiet. Machine also has a star 4-way turret tool post with power indexing. That's an index. All right. He's using the pulse generator hand wheels. That machine acts as a digital readout. The control acts as a digital readout when he uses the hand wheels. You also have a rapid joystick. There's the X and the Z. So you can use it in both manual hand wheel or the joystick, or through programming on the control. The tailstock has a number 4 Morse taper and it has 6-inch travel. Machine has a 3-jaw buck chuck on it now, but we also do have a 5C collar closer. Hey, thank you for watching our video.